Step-by-step guide, how to monetize your YouTube channel. Keep reading for a comprehensive guide on how to apply to the YouTube Partner Program and start making money online. If you want to earn revenue from ads run against your content, you'll need to apply to the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. On the YouTube homepage, click your profile icon and select YouTube Studio in the drop-down menu. The monetization page will track your progress toward reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Click it, and you'll be asked to complete the following 3 steps. Wait for YouTube to review your channel and inform you of its decision. The first step of applying to YPP is checking your channel's location settings. Basically, you need to make sure your channel is set to the right country so your application is processed smoothly. The next step in applying to YPP is carefully reviewing the terms of the program. This is extremely important because if you try to do the application alone, you'll eventually get stuck in later steps, such as creating an AdSense account. Next up, be aware that the documents YouTube presents you with don't cover everything you need to know. There's a collection of YouTube policies and guidelines, and you may agree to them unknowingly while applying to YPP. To get paid by YouTube, you have to create a Google AdSense account. When you connect this account to your channel, YouTube will send earned revenue from your AdSense account to your bank account. Follow these steps to set it up. Return to YouTube's monetization page. Click your profile icon on the YouTube homepage greater than YouTube Studio greater than monetization. After you do that, you'll be asked whether you currently have an AdSense account. You've successfully applied to the YouTube Partner Program, and now you just need to wait for YouTube's decision. So, exactly how long will YouTube take to review your application? However, there are some things to be aware of before and after your channel gets monetized, such as: when it comes to AdSense revenue, you'll earn 55% of all advertising profits while YouTube takes the other 45%. You need to make at least $100 before YouTube sends funds to your bank account, and it takes up to a few days. Now you know all the important details about